Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Next, ethics of machine learning. Machine learning ethics and bias. The first step towards thinking seriously about ethics in machine learning is to think about bias. Once you are aware of how bias can creep into machine learning systems and how that can have ethical implications, it becomes much easier to identify issues and make changes, or even better, stop them before they rise. Types of machine learning and algorithmic bias. Although there are a range of different types of bias, the best place to begin is with the two top level concepts. You may have read list of numerous different biases, but for the purpose of talking about ethics, there are two important things to think about. Pre-existing and dataset biases. Pre-existing biases are embedded in the data on which we choose to train algorithms. Technical and conceptual biases. Technical machine learning biases is about how an algorithm is programmed. It refers to the programs that rise when an algorithm is built to operate in a specific way. Next is uses of machine learning. Machine learning is a importance for today's technology and it is growing very rapidly day by day. We are using machine learning in our daily life even without knowing it, such as Google Maps, Google Assistant, Alexa, etc. These are some most trending real-world application of machine learning. First one, image recognition. Image recognition is one of the most common application of machine learning. It is used to identify objects, persons, places, digital images, etc. Next, speech recognition. While using Google, we get an option of search by voice. It comes under speech recognition and it's a popular application of machine learning. Speech recognition is a process of converting voice instruction into text and it is also known as speech to text or computer speech recognition. At present, machine learning algorithms are widely used by various applications of speech recognition. Google Assistant, Siri, Cortana, and Alexa are using speech recognition technology to follow the voice instructions. Next, traffic prediction. If we want to visit a new place, we take help of Google Maps, which shows us the correct path with the shortest route and predict the traffic condition. Next use is product recommendations. Machine learning is widely used by various e-commerce and entertainment companies such as Amazon, Netflix, etc. for product recommendation for the user. Whenever we search for some product on Amazon, then we started getting an advertisement for the some product while internet suffering on the same browser, and this is because of machine learning. Next use is self-driving cars. One of the most exciting application of machine learning is self-driving cars. Machine learning plays a significant role in self-driving cars. Tesla, the most popular car manufacturing company, is working on self-driving car. It is using unsupervised learning method to train the car models to detect people and object while driving. Next use is email spam and malware filtering. Whenever we receive a new email, it is filtered automatically as important, normal, and spam. We always receive an important mail in our inbox with the important symbol and spam emails in our spam box. And the technology behind this is machine learning. Next use is stock market trending. Machine learning is widely used in stock market trending. In the stock market, there is always a risk of up and downs in shares. So, for this machine learning's long short-term memory neural network is used for prediction of stock market trends. Next, medical diagnosis. In medical science, machine learning is used for disease diagnosis. With this, medical technology is growing very fast and able to build 3D models that can predict the exact position of lesions in the brain. It helps in finding brain tumors and other brain related disease easily. Last use is automatic language translation. Nowadays, if we visit a new place and we are not aware of the language, then it is not a problem at all. As for this, also machine learning helps us by converting the text into our non-languages. Google's GNMT, Google Neural Machine Translation, provide this feature, which is a neural machine learning that translates the text into our familiar language, and it called as automatic translation. Abuses of machine learning. One of the key problems with artificial intelligence is that it is often invisibly coded with human biases. Another area where artificial intelligence can be misused is in building registers. With artificial intelligence, type of discrimination can be masked in a black box of algorithms. Conclusion. Machine learning is referred to as one of the great things in the field of artificial intelligence. Machine learning helps a lot to work in your day-to-day life as it makes the work easier and accessible. Most of the organizations are using applications of machine learning and investing in it a lot of money to make the process faster and smoother. It is one of the widely used and adapted languages or technology in today's world. Thank you.